Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by acting now. Find the ring/silent switch on the iPhone's left edge and flip it toward the back so orange shows. That is the only instant hardware mute Apple provides. Once done, check the lock screen or control center for the bell icon with a line through it to confirm the ringer is off. Make sure volume buttons won't override this for calls. They only change media and ringtone volume when not silenced. This first step immediately stops audible ringer alerts. Once the switch mutes ringtones, refine the silence by removing other sound sources. Open Settings, go to Sounds and Haptics, and turn off keyboard clicks and lock sound. These are still audible otherwise. Then, under Vibration, disable Vibrate on Silent if you want no vibration feedback. This avoids buzzing during calls or notifications. Also lower or mute volume for media using the side buttons. These steps ensure notifications and interface noises stay quiet. Finish by verifying silence. Ask someone to call or send a notification while you watch the lock screen. If you still hear sound, make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb isn't misconfigured to allow certain contacts, and check Bluetooth for connected speakers or headphones that might play alerts. If settings seem right but sound persists, restart the iPhone. If that fails, inspect the ring/silent switch for debris or damage, because a faulty switch can prevent true silent operation and may need repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.